even the 5-year-olds, they want to go faster, slower.
Okay, this is a video here of the in-scale layout. They've now completed all the sections. Still got to put some scenery on that end, but I'm going to take you down the line here and let you see the in-scale. And they have assembled it, all the modules together. They've added all the sections in now. We can disassemble this and take it to shows too. This will be at our model train show in October at the Lakewood Conference Center. But they'll have certain sections out of it. But they've now got it all together. The in-scale guys, they've still got a lot of construction doing it, but they've got it up and running. So, it's coming right along. How about it, Fred? It coming along pretty good?
Yeah.
Let me see how long it looks. The in-scale layout. Roundhouse area. Some of this was taken from the old layout. Back here, you can see this is where the staging area will come in, and they'll eventually have the staging area hooked up over there. But the in-scale guys have done a great job getting the layout together. Still got some scenery to go, but has really come along. So that's our update on our in-scale layout here on May the 26th of 2012 here at the Grand Strand Model Railroad Club, located at the Myrtle Beach Mall, formerly the Barcliff Mall. Come and see us.